Hello बच्चों, every NEET aspirant completely understand the importance of NCERT. And to help you cover NCERT completely, I, Bioguru Beena Rao, brings to you MCQ alerts of NCERT. इस सीरीज में मैं आपको NCERT के हर टॉपिक की पूरी तैयारी करवाऊंगी. We will cover the full NCERT syllabus chapter wise and clear your concepts with previous year MCQs. तो बच्चों, NEET 2021 में बेहतरीन मार्क्स पाने की तैयारी के लिए join me in the special MCQ alerts of NCERT starting from 2nd of November at 11 a.m. In this series, we will provide full coverage of all the key topics chapter-wise, practice of MCQ questions in last 10 years, 2010 to 2020, and expected MCQs that can be framed chapter-wise. We will also underline the important points of NCERT. NCERT से NEET तक के सफर के लिए don't forget to subscribe to Bioguru Beena Rao channel and attend these special classes daily at 11 a.m.